Hello, everybody. I will introduce my Universität 2021 paper. The rapid emergence of COVID-19 has become a modern public health threat around the world. So the deep learning models can indeed convert numerous signal filters relevant to fight against the disease. Yet the performance of the state-of-the-art approaches is still severely restricted by the future information loss typically due to the high number of layers. To mitigate this phenomenon, identifying the most relevant futures areas by driving into attention mechanisms become essential. In this paper, we introduce Spatial Attentive ConvLSTM-RNN, a novel algorithm that is using convolutional long short-term memory recurrent neural networks with embedded attention that has the ability to identify the most valuable features. This promising results achieved by the fusion between the proposed module and a conventional attention convolutional recurrent neural networks on the automatic recognition of COVID-19 coffee. So after the 3-channel log mail spectrogram are input to the CNN, the module consists of 2 parts, the ACRN and the SACRNN, which jointly employ a set of convolutional layers with ResNet. While the SACRNN module uses Spatial Attentive ConvLSTM structure. The ACRN module uses LSTM and temporal attention. Finally, the module filters are fused. And we use the CCS database and acquire 73.2% UVR and considerable outperforming the baseline results. This is the structure of Spatial Attentive ConvLSTM network. So if you want to know more details, please watch my long video. Thank you very much.